How do you get from this to a nice dice that you might use in a stir fry or a soup or a stew? The first thing we want to do is cut off just a little bit of this root end. We're going to leave the root intact, but the volatile oils in the onion are going to escape out of there. That's going to help us not to cry too much when we're chopping the onion. So see, I left the root intact, but I tore off that, or cut off that little end. And now I'm going to cut off the other end, again using our claw hand and chopping through the onion, and then we're going to chop it and we're going to cut it in half this way. Move that from the board, and now I'm going to just remove this outer layer of paper, the onion skin. Again, we want to protect this left hand. We've got our nice pinch grip. We're going to place our hand flat here, and we're going to make these cuts like this almost all the way through. I've gone to about right here. I'm going to make 2 more of these. So I've got it sliced this way. Now I want to turn it towards me, and again with my claw hand, I'm going to make about 4 or 5 slices this way. Down with the tip and through. Now, with my claw hand, I'm going to come down this way and through. Again, keeping in mind the size that I need for whatever food I'm making. And you see we have perfectly diced onions. Thanks for joining us in Homegrown in the Kitchen.